maybe almost 2 months ago, I really got carried away. I was out here like the whole day.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Near here, at least partly near here, north of here a bit, and west. That's a little extreme because it gives you more photos than you can really handle. You can really process. Like, what am I going to do? Take the week off work?
No, I don't think so.
Not yet. Good Lord. So I could have drank some water, but I didn't.
What?
I could have drank some water, but I didn't.
But you didn't.
So all of that water stayed in my backpack. All 3 bottles. I think it was 3. At least 3. Probably 3. So, over prepared. Brought food too. Like a little jar of beans and rice.
Well, better have it and not need it than need it and not have it, right?
Yeah. I typically don't eat breakfast before I come out here. It just seems like it makes it slightly less likely to have, you know, a need to dig a hole in the ground.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just part of hiking. That's going to happen sometimes, but you'd rather have to do less of that.
Especially when the ground's hard.
Oh, well, yeah.
But it's pretty loose. You can always cover.
Right, well, you know, get over close to a tree, not trampled down, got some decaying leaves, you know, it's not too hard to dig. Still not likely to get very deep without a shovel, which I still don't have. Oh, I threw kind of a big spoon in my backpack, so I have that now. I was just using my heel. So we're almost there.
Getting closer by the minute.